Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your Polkadot tokens from a Tangem Wallet to Revolut. This is a straightforward process, but it's always good to double-check steps to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just managing your assets, I'll walk you through it step by step. First off, why do this? Revolut makes it easy to hold, sell, or even spend your crypto, while Tangem offers secure hardware wallet storage. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a few things ready. Your Tangem Wallet app installed on your device, some Polkadot tokens in it, a verified Revolut account with crypto features enabled, and a stable internet connection. Oh, and always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and navigate to your Polkadot assets. You'll see your balance there. Select the amount you want to send. Step 2. In your Revolut app, go to the crypto section and find your Polkadot wallet. Tap on it to reveal your unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so don't miss any characters. Step 3. Back in Tangem, paste the Revolut address into the To field. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer and review the transaction details, including any network fees. These fees can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025, so keep an eye on that. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button and authorize the transaction with your Tangem device's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once sent, you'll get a confirmation on the blockchain. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours. A quick tip. Always verify the recipient address twice to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. In 2025, Polkadot's network might have updates, so check for any official announcements on fees or compatibility. And there you have it. Your Polkadot is now on its way to Revolut. This simple transfer can help you manage your crypto more flexibly. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your investments.